done everything big, and my NY girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you.
There's a new TikTok. Well, I call it the new TikTok. It's called lemon8, if you guys haven't heard about it. And it's created from the same companies that created TikTok. And I think they did, well, of course they did, because just in case they're getting banned. I don't know if you guys know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with this camera, y'all. I don't know, like, it's annoying. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, hopefully. Oh, anyway. So there's a lot going on with TikTok. It might be banned, so they created another site. Now, I downloaded it because I didn't want to be the last one. Like with TikTok, I feel like I started off in the game late. And TikTok, I love TikTok. The algorithm is amazing. Like, I grew so quickly on TikTok. I have over 20,000 followers versus like on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for over 70 years and I'm still stuck at the same 2,000 followers. So other social media platforms need to take note from TikTok. But that being said, it's also some flaws in TikTok as well. I don't really want to go in details about it, but it's some stuff that they need to work out as well. But overall, I like the fact that you can grow quick. If you guys want, I mean, like if you want your business to pick up, that's the perfect way to do it. Just saying. So let's talk about lemon8. So let me pull it up. Let me start a screen recording so you guys can see how it looks. It reminds me of Pinterest. Like Pinterest mixed with Instagram. And it's not how it is on TikTok. You know how you can just scroll. My camera, oh my god. So it's not like how it is on TikTok where you can just scroll and see everybody's video. This is how it looks. Let me start screen recording so you guys can see how the format is. So this is the perfect time to join because the hashtags it's not a lot of people using the hashtags yet. So this is the perfect way to get your stuff out there, your name. I just started. I don't have any followers. Of course, I only have like 1. And my views are not up there yet. But anyway, I'm learning how to work it. So let's make a post real quick. So I want to post this and so I already picked the video. First I'm going to change the thumbnail. So I'm going to go to where it says grab frame from video. And I'm going to find a clip that I want. Something, this is, let's do this one. So once you do that, at the bottom it has like the settings and all that where you can edit the picture. I'm gonna add a text on it because everybody likes text. Everybody like, you know. And a good thing about this, they already have like some text you can choose from. And all you do is have to edit from it. So I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna edit, let's see what I'm gonna write. I'll put entrepreneur because I'm an entrepreneur. So first you need a headliner. I'm gonna say entrepreneur. So it says tap to add caption. Try to ready ideas. Try some ready ideas. Oh my god, I can't read, y'all. So let's pick some hashtags. They already have some hashtags that are the top ones. I'll probably use a little bit of these. Probably hello 8. And I like another thing about this. I like how they call themselves lemon8. Like it's a number 8. It's not, they didn't spell the whole thing like lemon8. I think it's cute. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a few hashtags that are relevant to my content. Alright, see, this is like the hardest part, trying to find a hashtag to post. Okay, so now that I have my hashtags that I want, you can add a location. I usually don't add locations. Well, sometimes I do, but it depends on, you know, where I'm at. Let's see. I probably just, let's see. I'm gonna pick California, and then I'll post it. It's that simple. The video is up. You can save it to your phone. You can add it to Instagram, to your Instagram stories, Facebook, all that good jazz. All that, whatever. So that is it. And I don't know how easy it is to grow in here. I just started posting. And when you create an account, it has you just tell them your interests. Like, yeah, that's it. So anyway, I don't know if a lot of people are using this yet, but I haven't been seeing people talk about it. It's another way to get your content out, especially if you're a small business owner like me and my mom are. Me and my mom have an online business and we do pop-ups every week. So this is another way for us. Oh, I'm still screen recording. This is just another way for us to get our name out there, our content out, and all that. So it can't hurt us, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial on how to use lemon8, which is the new TikTok. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description. Oh my god. Leave them in the comment box and follow me on lemon8.